Magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) is a non-invasive diagnostic tool that uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves to create detailed three-dimensional images of internal organs. It has revolutionized diagnostic medicine by capturing high-resolution images without exposing patients to radiation. Recently, La Clinique de Corps International Limited and the Slmda Medical and Dental Association held a conference that brought together local doctors to examine the effective use of this innovative medical tool.
Our local physicians get more information on the uses of MRI, how to order an MRI and when to order an MRI. This becomes very important in diagnosing a patient and even treating a patient. So by virtue of that, patient outcomes would then improve with this training and the use of this kind of technology.
The conference featured radiologists from Canada and Colombia, as well as a neurosurgeon from St. Lucia who resides and trains in the U.S. They shared their knowledge and expertise on the vital piece of medical equipment.
You're going to be able to take very detailed images of a lot of diseases, and you're going to be able to assess in a more detailed and individualized way your patients. So I'm here to talk about what are the uses in medicine of MRI imaging in special clinical scenarios like urgent care, primary care, also to show you which are the different studies that we can perform, like MRM enterography, like MRCP. We have a whole range of studies that can help assess diseases and treat patients better ultimately.
MRI technology has been recognized as crucial in changing the way medical professionals view the human body, thereby aiding them in making informed decisions and diagnoses.
What we recognize, of course, is that the technology is new to the island and there is always going to be that gap. So our efforts now with conferences like this, and hopefully we can continue to have them, is to bridge that gap in understanding the technology that we have and how we can use it to our full benefit.
Medical professionals have embraced the innovative MRI located in Cocoville, Rodney Bay at La Clinique de Corps Diagnostic Center, which reduces the need for patients to pay exorbitant costs for travel abroad for medical treatments and tests. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.